Hello, today I'm back with another mobile recording gadget. It's an improved version of an older model and rebranded specially for 2022. Watch this video to learn more. Hello YouTube, how are you doing today? In a previous video, I showed you the Leereel Wireless Lavalier Microphone for the iPhone. You can check it out in one of the cards showing above right now. Now, this microphone right here, the Leereel Wireless Lavalier Microphone for iOS, is an upgraded version of an older model from last year. So, just as I say, made a plug-and-play wireless lavalier microphone for your iPhone and your iPad. What makes it better than the older version, than the older model? I'll talk all about it in this video. But first, let us go unbox. Let's get the box open right now. Just let's look around the box and see some of the information that are given to us. So you have information, general information, basically the range of the microphone and some of the features and the connectivity you get out of the box with the microphone. So let's get it open. Just a little bit of wiggly and it's right there. So first you meet in the box is the user manual, which really tells you the information you need to know about the microphone. It comes in English and Chinese. So if you need that Chinese bit, you also get to use it. And then you get the transmitter, which you clip on to your cloth. It's really lightweight and just really handy, just like that. You can see the Leereel branded in front of it. And then a 360-degree rotatable clip, which you mount onto your cloth. And then the USB-C charging port for the transmitter. And that also serves as the audio monitoring output. And then also you have the lightning connector to your iPhones or iPads, which you can also use to power through to your device, which is really nice. And then finally, in that box, you have another box which gives you just the earpiece for monitoring your audio, and then also the charging cable for the transmitter of the Leereel Wireless Lavalier Microphone. Pretty much that's all on the box. Nothing so much, nothing less. Straightforward packaging. I really like the packaging in that way. And then of course you have the ear muff for cushioning the effect on your ears. Now that we're back, let's talk about one of the coolest features of this microphone. This microphone right here has 3 levels of noise suppression. So it has the light mode, the mid mode, and the pro mode, which cuts out almost every noise in the environment. Right now I'm recording with no noise suppression, just right there. And to activate the noise suppression level, you only have to press the power button once. And this is the difference you will hear when that noise suppression level goes on. So it indicates with the orange flashlight. I hope you can see that a little bit closer. Let me move that closer. So when I press the power button once, the orange light indicates and shows a little bit of difference in that. And that's the noise suppression levels right there. And you maybe have a feel of what is going on when you're hearing this. So I'm trying to record this without trying to monitor it by it. Hey, one thing to note also is that it comes with a real-time monitoring bit right here, the USB-C port right here. That is what you will generally use to monitor the audio. So it comes with a wired, where did I put that now? So it comes with a wired USB-C headset, which you plug into this to listen and monitor real time what you're actually recording. So it's kind of good really for that one. And also it has a reverb effect. That reverb effect means you can have this kind of echoey sound of voice in the room when you're recording, and you activate that by just pressing this button. 3 times the power button right here. 1, 2, 3. And then you maybe are hearing the reverb effect of the microphone right now. So I generally am not a reverby person, so I'll probably turn that off right about now. So reverb effect is off and I'm back to normal mode. Let me pin that back on my clutch, so I can continue recording normally. So one of the good things about this microphone is you have a feel of what you're recording with the real-time audio monitoring device that comes with it. Now, let's actually try to record in an untreated area, not in my home studio, with no untreated sound, no onboard effects, nothing whatsoever. So this is what that feels like.
Hi, this is me testing the microphone outdoors. Well, not exactly outdoors, but kind of outdoors mode. And I am just testing out the sound quality of the Leereel Wireless Lavalier Microphone for the iPhone. I hope it sounds good.
And we're back. So let's talk about some of the features and the tech and specs of this microphone. As usual, all the audio from this video that you're watching right now is recorded with the Leereel Wireless Lavalier Microphone for the iPhone and the iPad, so you have a feel of the sound you're getting if you're considering getting one. Let me actually know in the video comments below if you're considering getting it or if you like the sound you're hearing from the Leereel Wireless Lavalier Microphone for the iPhone and the iPad. I'll drop a link to purchase it in the description and also as a pinned comment, so be sure to check it out if it's something you want to get your hands on. Now, it's got an inbuilt rechargeable battery which can be used for up to 4 to 6 hours, and that just takes you about 2 hours to charge. Easy to connect to your devices with over 60 feet, that's about 20 meters for the signal. It's a 2.4 gigahertz microphone and you can use that for real-time audio sync technology. So if you're doing auto sync technology in your post-production, you can definitely use that for your videos. So it clearly records at a large distance, so you can be far away and still record just quite fine. So maybe you're doing some vlogging out there. Now, what devices do this work with? That's a very good question you might want to be asking yourself. Now, this right here only works with iOS devices. That's the iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6, iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, 8 and 8 Plus, iPhone X, XR, XS, XS Max, 11, 11 Pro, 12 Pro Max, iPad 2, 3, 4, iPad Air series, iPad Pro series. Now note, it will not be compatible with the iPads that use USB-C because it only supports lightning cable connection to your iPhone or your iPads. So just note that right there. That wouldn't work with USB-C devices, unfortunately. If you need to get a USB-C version of this, you can watch one of my older videos on a Lewina microphone where I did a review of that. Now, you might want to ask, who should get this microphone? I would say someone with an iOS device, iPhones, iPads, looking to record better audio than what their device offers. The device microphones most times are just crappy, and you might want to record at a much longer distance from where your phone is. So you might want to capture just the land view and still be talking a little bit far away. So this will be good for you. And you don't want to break the bank, basically. You will find joy using this microphone. I can really say from my previous test of this microphone that the audio quality that coming out of it is better than the previous generation. I can say that for sure. So it's an upgrade, really. Now, what are the best use cases for this microphone? You might also want to ask me. Yes, I would say someone looking to get started creating YouTube videos, vlogs, TikToks, or maybe you even do it currently, your Instagram lives, and pretty much any recording task that you do on your mobile device. That is when you want to consider getting and using this for your own use cases. Now, what are my impressions of this microphone? I give this for the new videos I make now. So, now sound quality for this, for the price point this comes at, I'll give this a 5/5 because it really blew my mind off with the sound quality I'm getting out of it. So I'll give that a 5/5. For the price point, I'll give that a 5/5, to be honest, nothing so much. Build quality, I'll give it a 5/5. It's a plastic device, but it feels, quality. That is my feel of it. So it's a really well built device. Packaging, I'll probably give that a 3/5. And my reason for that is it came in just this box. There's no extra packaging, so if I lose this box, my packaging protection is pretty much gone. Compared to the older generation, you see what it looks like? It's got packaging. This is the older generation of the same microphone, which sounds a little bit not as good as this, but it's also good. So the packaging, that's why I'm giving that a 3/5. But pretty much it's still good packaging as long as you don't lose this box. If you lose this box, you need to get your own packaging for it. Ease of setup, I'll give that a 5/5 because it's just plug and play. You don't need to do any other thing. You don't need to pair anything up. You just plug it to your device and you're good to record. So this works with your video app, it works with your memo app, it works with any recording software that you have on your mobile device. Well, friends, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this far. Please remember to give this a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're new here so you do not miss any further videos coming from me. And most importantly, you let others discover videos just like this one. So I'll be seeing you in another video. Stay safe and goodbye.